friends, my name is Anna. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am going to show you how to make a fantastic holiday drink. We are making a cranberry Moscow Mule, or what I'm calling my cranberry Moscow Mule, because the ingredients are very similar to what you would use in a Moscow Mule. We're using alcohol, we're using vodka in this recipe, so if you are not over 21, sorry, this recipe is not for you. But not all is lost. You can actually make a mocktail without the vodka. Just saying it out there, I am using alcohol, 21 and older, don't come at me, okay? So with all of that being said, let me show you the ingredients so we can get started. For this recipe, you're going to need some tonic water or club soda, some ginger juice. You're going to need cranberry juice. You can use the cranberry cocktail juice. I'm using 100% cranberry juice. You're gonna need some vodka. I'm using a little bit of sugar because, like I said, this is 100%. It's very tart, very strong. You'll also need the juice of half a lime. This is to garnish, completely optional, but I think it looks really pretty, so I do recommend that you're gonna need some cranberries. Here I have some frozen cranberries. You're gonna need some crystallized ginger candies and a sprig of rosemary. To start, I do want to say that these products were gifted to me. I did not buy them with my own money, but I recommend them 100% because they're fantastic. I love the ingredients. On the crystallized ginger, there's only ginger and cane sugar, which is great. And then on the organic ginger juice, you only have organic ginger and citric acid. That is all in this little bottle. It is so good. The quality is amazing. I use this to make wellness shots, but they work great in cocktails, so why not? And we need a little drink. After this crazy year, we all need a little drink during the holidays, so it is fantastic. To get started, we're going to need some ice. So let me go get some ice and I'll be right back. I'm making this in a shaker cup just because I like how it comes out, but it's up to you. You can stir it, whatever you want to do. So 2 cups, I'm adding the cranberry juice. I'm also adding the ginger juice. I'm going to add the vodka. I've also made this with champagne, and oh my god, it is fabulous. So if you want to make this with champagne, go ahead and do so. Okay, I'm gonna add the juice. Now I'm going to very quickly close this so I can shake it. It's gonna be really loud, so let me go ahead and do this and I'll be right back. There we go. Okay, I have my glass here. I'm just gonna pour this to my glass. Okay, I'm gonna add the water. You can add the water to the shaker and just do it together. I just like to add it at the end. I'm going to give this a quick stir. Our drink is ready. We just have to garnish it. I have a cocktail pick right here. Okay, I'm gonna do the crystallized ginger, just like so. I'm also going to add some frozen cranberries. Here we have it. Look at that. It looks so pretty. Let me do a close-up so you guys can see how pretty it looks. Okay, and here we have it. Look how pretty that drink looks. It is so festive and so delicious, and the colors are just so pretty. And let me tell you, it tastes as good as it looks. So of course, I'm going to give this a try. Okay, let's do this, shall we? Oh, that's good. Oh, this is good. Let me tell you, perfect for the holidays. Delicious. This is a must try. If you like Moscow Mules, you will absolutely love this recipe. I want to thank the ginger people for sending me these goodies. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of them. I've been buying them for years, and you probably have been buying them too. If you guys are interested in checking out their products, I'm going to leave their website down below, thegingerpeople.com. You can find them pretty much in every supermarket and also on Amazon. So if you're interested, I'm gonna leave their information down below. I was so excited to create this recipe because I've never done cocktails here on the channel, and I love my cocktails. And don't worry, I'm 23 years old. I'm allowed to drink, so just a little disclaimer out there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I hope you all have a happy holidays. Bye bye.